How to subscribe to YouTube TV. Ready to cut the cord and start streaming live TV? Let's dive into how you can quickly subscribe to YouTube TV and get started. Visit the YouTube TV website. First, open your browser and head over to tv.youtube.com. Click Try It Free. YouTube TV often offers a free trial, so look for the Try It Free button and click it to begin your sign-up process. Sign in with Google. Next, sign in using your Google account. If you don't have one, no worries, just create a new account. Choose your plan. Now it's time to select your plan. Pick the base plan or explore exciting add-ons like 4K+, Sports Plus, or even Spanish language channels. Add payment details. Enter your billing information, but don't worry, you won't be charged until your trial ends. Start watching. You're almost there. Once you've signed up, you're ready to stream over 100 channels instantly on smart TVs, phones, and more. Helpful tips. Remember, you can cancel anytime before the trial ends to avoid any charges. Take advantage of the unlimited DVR feature to record your favorite shows and watch them later. Plus, stream on up to 3 devices at once for maximum flexibility. That's it. You're now all set to enjoy premium live TV with the flexibility of YouTube TV. Start your streaming journey today.